Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Avi the Baddie, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey baddie, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the like, comment and subscribe button so that you can join the baddie group because we are lit over here. Now let's get right into the video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how I achieved this absolutely beautiful Flexi Rod set on blown out natural hair. So if you are interested and you want to see how I achieved these beautiful results, then keep on watching. So this is what my hair looks like before heading into the shower. When I come out, the shower is going to be dark because it's sunset right now. It's in a ponytail and a little bang, and it's super shrunken right now. I'm just going to get all this gel and gunk out of my hair and then get back to you. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down just so you guys can see what it's looking like. Excuse the noise in the background, that's my neighbors. Can't really do anything about that. So I'm just taking the hairpins out of my bang. Here, a little wing trick for the bangs. My bangs are kind of stretched because obviously it was being pulled. So I'm just gonna take my hair out of this ponytail now. My hair is now out of that little tight ass ponytail, and as you can see, stiff hair. So yeah, so this is what my hair looks like before washing. It's all dry and musty, and this is what it looks like after. Alright, so I'm now fresh out of the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. It is damp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to blow dry my hair using my blow dryer, and I'm not putting any products in my hair, just so that my hair doesn't get weighed down. Let's go on to that step now. So I'm gonna take my hair using the tension method to dry it. I'm gonna pull my hair all the way out, and then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and keep drying it until it's dry and stretched, okay? So enjoy me drying my hair. What the first section of my hair looks like after being completely blown out, and you can see that difference in the shrinkage from my hair in here to all the way down here. So I'm just gonna twist this section out of the way and move on to the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing to the entire head, and I will come back when I am done. So my hair, I'm done with the blow drying process. So I'm just gonna take it all down so you guys can see what my hair looks like. Using my detangle brush. Alright. I think I need to wear a different color shirt so you guys can see my ends better, so I'm gonna change into something brighter. Okay, so I'm back and I'm wearing a brighter shirt so you can see my hair better. So this is what my hair looks like. I didn't really go in much with the blow dryer as I could have, but this will get the job done, seeing that we're gonna curl the hair up anyways. So I should probably turn to the back for you to see what the back looks like. So this is my hair. Should I do a length check? This is what it looks like. So I am aware that some parts of my hair is still a bit wet, and girl, to be honest, I just don't want to deal with it, so I'm leaving it just the way it is. So I'm going in with my regular moisturizer, which is the Lotta Body Activate Me Curl Activator. I'm not going to put much because I don't want my hair to get back curly, but I don't want my hair to be dry. So I'm just going to use a dime size amount, and I'm going to distribute it throughout all of my hair, every single part. So especially the ends. Always focus on the ends because they are the oldest parts of the hair. And now I'm going to section off my hair by putting this side into a braid. As you can see, my roots are definitely still wet, and like I said, I ain't got time. So as you can see, I'm just doing a flat braid coming down. Alright, so this half is in a plait, and I'm going to take this next half, take out one little section in the back, and put the rest up into a ponytail, because this is the side we're working on first. Alright, so I'm going in with my brush, and we're going to start from the ends, brushing my hair out from the ends and working all the way up to the roots. And then I'm going to take my Flexi Rod, and I'm going to put it all the way up to my scalp and wrap my hair around it as tightly as possible. Once you get all the hair around your wrap, you're going to lock it in like so. And this is what it's going to look like. And do that to all the parts of your hair. So I'm going to show you again with another piece. Y'all pray for me and hope this works out, because this is actually my first time. I'm taking this piece of hair, taking my brush, brushing it out from the ends, straight up to the roots. Ensure my hair is fully detangled. And if you want a little length, check. So we're taking our Flexi Rod, putting it all the way onto the scalp, and we're going to start twisting the hair around the Flexi Rod as tight as possible. So then you're going to lock, unlock. Alright. And now we're going to do that to the entire head.
I see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Halfway through, so I'm just gonna take down the rest of my hair and get it all over it.
What a wonderful world.
right? And I look like your tanty next door. So we're finished. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn around. Let me show you the back. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my blow dryer and dry my roots some more so that it can get a boost up. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and sleep with it in my head. Alright, so I blow dried it and yep, feels pretty dry. So y'all will see me tomorrow in the morning when I'm ready to take my rods down. Alright, peace out. Hey guys, so it's now the next morning and I'm hoping that this hairstyle is gonna come out correct. So as you can see, I got my makeup on, I did my jewelry because I'm obviously going out. What I did last night, I found my got-to-be glue spray and I sprayed it all over my hair, hoping that it would provide my hair with some sort of hold. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer one more time to make sure my hair is completely dry, and then we'll take it out. So let's see. All right, so we're going to start taking down the first one to the back. So I'm just going to open up the flexi rod and roll it down the opposite direction. And this is what the first curl looks like. Let's hope that this comes out good, guys. I'm just gonna take down the rest now. So this is what my hair looks like with all the flexi rods out. It looks like it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna spray some more got-to-be glue on my hair just because I don't want my hair to drop at all, but not much, just a little. And then I'm gonna blow dry it one more time. And now I'm going to separate the curls. When you're separating the curls, make sure to wrap your fingers around it a little bit so that the curls can keep a sort of definition going on. Y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like, but just to get rid of any parting that may be on my head, I'm gonna just take my comb and just fluff the roots out. So no, I'm not combing through my hair, I'm just fluffing the roots. Okay, I love this. Alright, so I'm just gonna do my edges really quick and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what the final results are looking like. I hope you like it. Let me show you at the back. And it's nice and bouncy. Absolutely love it. And it goes with the look that I'm trying to achieve today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what you think and what other hairstyles you would like me to try for y'all. And don't forget, you are amazing, beautiful, smart, and never let anybody take you for idiots. All right, bye buddy.